Well, hi. It's Sunday. It's 5 o'clock on a Sunday. The regular crowd rolls in. All right. I am reaching out to all of you to give you the official Sign Fairies thank you. I have been insanely busy these last couple of days. You're probably asking yourself, what happened to Riddick? He's usually doing 2 or 3 YouTube videos a week, and I've only seen one. Has he fallen down? Can he not get up? What's happening? The reality is that I've had a couple custom orders that I've had to put together because of this thing, because of the plotter. And you know what else we're doing? We're revamping our entire inventory, which is what I told you that we would do. We're using vinyl that's got glitter in it. So we're making. Listen, I've gone through roughly 45 sheets of 4x8 pieces of plastic. All right, if that doesn't tell you that we're getting ready to kick some ass, I don't know what is. All right, but I wanted to just take a moment and give you the official thank you. Well, Riddick, what are you thankful for? Why are you thanking us on our YouTube channel? We should be thanking you. No, I should be thanking you because I've said this before, but I want to say it again to make it official. Okay? Here it is. If you don't know this, know that the average YouTuber who starts takes roughly 16 months for them to reach 1,000 subscribers. We've done it under 4. Okay? And then the average YouTuber takes 16 months to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch content. We've done that under 4. So what that means is that I've been asked if I would like by YouTube to be monetized. And the answer is yes. Now, it's my understanding that this review process takes a while, but I'm not patient, and I'm going to get on this like a hungry pit bull, gnawing on a bone, and we're going to make this happen sooner rather than later, if I have anything to say about it. But I wanted to say thank you. And I wanted to say, if you're new to the YouTube channel and you don't know anything about what we're doing, click on that link below. This is the video that started it all for me. This is the video that has got me to be monetized, starting to be reviewed to be monetized in under 4 months. And it's incredible. And that's it. That's all I wanted to say. I wanted to keep it short and sweet, and just ask you to consider subscribing to the channel. Believe it or not, I never thought it really all meant all that much, but it really means a lot. It means that you guys are interested in what it is that we're talking about here, and I'm grateful for it, because I'm just talking about it. You guys are listening. You guys are wanting it. And, like the videos. Listen, we got more to come. And I've told you this before, and I'm going to tell it to you again. We are riding some epic momentum. And I have a couple videos that I want to do. One in particular is to give you guys an update of what it's been like being a yard card renter, for the last 4 months. Give you my take on what's happened, where I think things might be going, how we can make it better, how if you're a member of this group and you're subscribing to our channel, we might be able to work together. We might be able to help each other out. Who knows? What I've learned is to not to have any expectations. And that I could write down on this piece of paper numerous channels, communication channels, sales channels that I never even thought possible. And the reality is that I'm just following your suggestions. Some of them, most of them, because I didn't know any better. But before I go, I want to tell you this. I have a very close personal friend of mine who I actually used to do some work with in New York City when I lived in New York City. And his name is Adam Connors. And Adam started a company called NetworkWise. Now, Adam is a lot like me. He is vivacious. He is, he's contagious. He has a fire and spark that I think all you guys will be able to identify with. And he has a successful podcast interviewing people who have started businesses and used relationships to help their business grow. And this is a perfect example of that. And you can check out his stuff at NetworkWise, Conversations with Connors, and I'll put a link in the description below to see all his stuff. And I love it. I think it's great. I'm even considering having him come and do a live stream for our private Facebook group, because I think what he's offering to the marketplace right now is very unique and very different. And this is all about building relationships and about being genuine about it. And he does a great job teaching that. As a matter of fact, I'm taking his course, certification. So before we do anything, I'm going to go through this certification process and tell you what I liked about it. And yeah, so podcast, NetworkWise, Conversations with Connors. I think it's going to be a great conversation. He's a good dude. And he's really the first one that I'm going to be collaborating with here on YouTube. He's got a YouTube channel. We just want to help each other out. And I'm learning through YouTube that that's what you do with people. You find other people with similar sized channels and you collaborate together. You get the word out. He shares their stuff with me and I share my stuff with him. And we try to make an impact. And that's what we're doing here. Making an impact. Hopefully a positive one. So I rambled on way too long. 7 minutes is too long for this guy. But the official thank you is wrapping up right now. And I just want you to know, I can't tell you how much I appreciate all of it. So consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, consider joining our private Facebook group. And if you'd like to learn a little bit about starting the yard card celebration business, check out my Patreon account at www.patreon.com/signfairies. And we're going to be growing from there. The website's growing, and guys, it's overwhelming, and only in the best way. So smash the day, gang. Make it happen.